Hi guys, what's up? And today I am playing this game. I'm playing Roblox and it's apparently meant to be a scary game. I got it requested by a friend. Is he a killer? Oh my god, he's a killer. Oh my god, no he's not. A few. He looks like one. So let's go down these ladders carefully. How do you get down? Oh no, I'm not. Bounce. Okay. Oh, the sewers. Hey! Hey, no! And I've just started. Wow, this Bethany girl has been. Yeah, because she's not even gone in. In a minute, she's gonna die. Is he wearing Maverick? He's wearing Maverick, right? Oh no. Oh my god. I don't want to go down there. Bethany is still alive. No, she's not. Oh my god, I'm actually so scared. He's there. He's there. How are we meant to... I hate that guy. I really hate him. I'm joking, whoever you are. I don't really. If you're a person in real life, then I don't hate you. But if you're just an animated figure, then I really hate you. I'm scared. I'm sick. Hiya, girlies. Hiya. Girls. Look at them. Hi, girls. You girls are so pretty. Pretty girls. Pretty, I tell you. Is that ugly man, person, boy? He's there. He's there. Cause I've been and you know how bad my heart to see me like this, but it gets what? Wait a minute. Oh no, I can look. Yeah, Bethany is dead. Poor Bethany. I'm still alive. I'm gonna stay up here. I'm gonna turn my torch off. So, like, Bethany is at 1,000. This Millie Plays 2 is still going 500. Oh my god, wow. When Bethany jumped down here, she died instantly. So, see you fight, y'all. Bethany. Recording. Say hi. I'm bored. I really want to get down, but he's not letting me. Mickey Mouse, I think. Is he a Mickey Mouse? Yeah, he's a Mickey Mouse. I'm rank 3. I'm going good. How long I've been on it? So over a minute. Go, you crazy. Go, you crazy. She did. No freaking. I'm actually cheated well, so shout out for me to be naughty. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. I'm scared. He watch me go down and he kills me. What happens if he comes up? Look at him. They're gonna die. The clown, he's there. They were trying to run away. Oh my god. They were trying to run away, but nah. I'm in number 2 now. Hello. Hi boy, hi. The best I'll ever be. I know how bad it must have to see me like this. I guess I was looking at the I really want that happy guy to die. Not in real life, on the game. That can be number one. How's he got up? He's a freaking monster. I think he's worse than the clown. He's scary. Do you see him? The clown's actually almost dead. Who is the clown? Oh my god, he's there. He's there. The clown's there. Oh my god, the clown's not spotting me yet. Oh gosh. It happens then. Best I'll ever be. Yeah, no. My contours on fleek. Oh my god, he's there. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. No, the clown spotted me. I think the clown's got me. Oh my god, guys. The clown's dead. The clown's dead. The clown's dead. Oh no, he's there. He's there. He's there. He's there. He's there. He's there. The clown's dead. Nope. I'm number one. I'm number one, guys. See, I'm number one. Well, someone's got a gun. Someone's got roblox. The clown's there. Did you see that clown? The clown is freaking there. The clown's there. The clown's there. No! Please hide me. I know he's called Cordy because I saw it on the Xbox. That outfit's called Cordy. I'm wearing a squad. How am I still alive? Oh crap, he saw me. Ha! The clown's gone. The clown's gone. Did you guys see he jumped down there and that's like a dead end? Well, it's not dead, but like dead end. Like if you go down there, you die instantly. Imagine the clown just comes back out of there. I'll be like, how no? My contour's like so unsafe right now. It's a reflection. I think I need to do more while I'm waiting. Guys, if you're thinking I'm boring, yeah, I know. So I'm gonna treat you guys like I'm not boring. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly do my contour while like I wait for a clown to come or something. Clown to pop out. Am I ever gonna die? Don't think I am, so I'm gonna go out there in a minute. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be crazy. My console skills though. Okay, let's go. Oh, I thought that was a clown. My contouring skills. I said, like, you should come to my place and I'll do it for you. Hi, cinnamon bun. I jumped. I freaking jumped. Like, I'm really not bothered if I die. Actually, I am. The clown's there. Was that the clown? That was the clown, right? Oh no, the clown's left. Phew. Oh my god, that guy's not gonna die. Oh look. I don't want to die. I've hit 500. Yeah, really don't want to die now. You know who I don't want to see? The guy who were blocking everybody out. It's so scary in that place. Oh my god, guys.